Let's make some chicken adobo. For this recipe, I'm going to be using chicken legs and thighs, all the dark meat. I've made this recipe before with the breast, and it's just not as good. So I'm using bone-in, skin-on thighs and drumsticks. I'm taking the chicken out of the marinade, and I'm going to lay them out on a paper towel and pat them dry. I'm going to be braising my chicken, so the skin needs to be nice and dry, and that'll help the skin brown up, and it'll hold up during the braising process. After I braise my chicken, I'll be adding this delicious marinade, and I will cook it until it reduces down to a delicious sauce. I'm braising my chicken skin side down first, and I want that skin to get nice and crispy, and that way it will hold up during the braising process. So I'm going to cook it about 2-3 minutes on each side. I'm removing my chicken from the pan. Time to start my braising sauce. I'm adding 1 cup of chicken broth, the marinating sauce, a splash of oyster sauce, some rice vinegar, some oil, teaspoon of sugar, soy sauce, and some cornstarch to thicken it up. Add the chicken back to the sauce, cover it with a lid, and let it simmer. And it simmered about 45 minutes. And I made some stir-fried rice as my side dish. All right, it's time to eat. I have some fresh pineapple slices. There's my adobo chicken, some extra sauce, my stir-fry, my adult beverage, and some water. Happy new week. Cheers to you. Was that good? Now, adobo sauce is the boss. I'm telling you. I'm going to drizzle some of that on my chicken. Let me show you what I'm doing. Can't have enough of this stuff. Put a little bit on my rice too. Oh, is that good? Oh, that's super good. The chicken is tender, it's flavorful all the way down to the bone. I kid you not. Want a bite? Here's a bite for you. Good, huh? I told you. Super good. Cheers. It's just plain water. This is my adult beverage. Have a good week. I'll see you when I see you. Thanks for stopping by.